Building Doctor Honeycomb Sealer is a grout admixture that seals and repairs honeycomb gaps in concrete without the need for breaking them. The special features of Building Doctor Honeycomb Sealer are: has high penetration even in minute holes, prevents formation of cracks, seals even micropores, reduces cost, is easy to use. It repairs honeycomb in water tanks, sumps, underground structures, swimming pools and septic tanks, and prevents water leakages. Before using Building Doctor Honeycomb Sealer, ensure you are ready with all the tools shown in the visual. Before using this product, it is mandatory to wear appropriate protective gear. Now let us see how to use this product. Holes have to be drilled with a machine in the areas of concrete that have water leakage or honeycombs. The area has to be cleaned of any cement particles. PVC nozzles have to be fixed over those areas using Building Doctor Instant Stop and allowed to dry completely. For a 50 kg bag of cement, 225 grams of honeycomb sealer has to be mixed with the required amount of water. With the help of a 140 psi pressure grouting machine, the honeycomb sealer slurry has to be injected into the PVC nozzle. To prevent the injected slurry from coming out, Building Doctor Instant Stop has to be used to seal the nozzles. After the honeycomb sealer has dried for 24 hours, the PVC nozzles have to be removed and the holes have to be filled by applying Building Doctor All-Rounder. Let us now see the effectiveness of Building Doctor Honeycomb Sealer through an experiment. You can now see how Building Doctor Honeycomb Sealer is. It works with higher flowability and penetrates deep between the concrete to repair honeycombs effectively. This process is suitable only for concrete areas. The pot life of Building Doctor Honeycomb Sealer may vary according to temperature and other site conditions. Before using this product, carefully follow the instructions shown in the visual.